This is going to be a video tutorial on how to check how much RAM or memory you have installed on your PC in Windows 11. Let me jump over to my desktop here. Okay, to check how much RAM or memory that you have installed on your PC, there's a couple different ways to do that. One way is to go down to your taskbar down here, down to your start icon, and you want to right click on your start icon. Then you'll go up to where it says System and click on System. The dialog box that opens up gives you all kinds of information here. In the middle here, the third thing down, installed RAM, it says I have 32 gigabytes of installed RAM and 31.8 gigabytes are usable. To get even more detailed information about your RAM or memory, I'm going to close this dialog box. I'm going to go back down to the taskbar to the start icon, and I'm going to right click on it again, and I'm going to go up to Task Manager. I'm going to click on Task Manager, and in the second column over here, I'm under the Processes tab, the first one. In the second column over here, Memory, it gives me detailed stats on what my memory is doing, what is using my memory. Adobe Illustrator is using 1079.7 megabytes of memory. Camtasia is using 582 megabytes of my memory. I'm going to click on the Performance tab here, and then I'm going to click on the second thing down here, Memory. And right here it tells me I'm using 42% of my memory. I'm currently using 42% of my memory. The more things I open up, the more memory is going to be used. Off to the right here it says I have 32 gigabytes of RAM installed. I have 31.8 gigabytes usable. Gives you a little graph here on your memory usage. Down here at the bottom gives you all kinds of specs. It tells you your memory speed, RAM speed, how many slots that your computer has. I'm using 4 slots. Your form factor, mine is DIMM. Hardware reserve, 226 megabytes. Gives you all kinds of stats here. But that is how you check how much RAM or memory you have installed on your PC. Thanks for watching.